In this video, you're going to learn several snack options for stable blood sugars. When thinking about healthy snack options for blood sugars, you want to choose things that are high in protein, healthy fats, and fiber, and low in starches and sugars. Know that for all the snacks I'm going to mention, you can combine them any way you want for more variety. Often, I'll combine these types of foods into an easy on-the-go meal, like if I'm taking the kids to the zoo and want easy, healthy finger foods. The first option is olives. 1 cup of black olives has 186 calories, 17 grams of fat, 1 gram of protein, 3 grams of fiber, and 7 grams of net carbs. The second option is string cheese. 2 sticks of string cheese has 167 calories, 11 grams of fat, 13 grams of protein, and 3 grams of net carbs. The third option is plain yogurt and certain berries. Raspberries and blackberries are your best bet, followed by strawberries. Blueberries are higher in sugar than most people think. I covered the best and worst fruits for blood sugar in another video that you can check out next. If you want flavor in your yogurt, add it yourself at home. I like to add a few drops of liquid stevia and maybe some cinnamon or almond extract or vanilla extract. Really whatever you want, just reduce the added sugars by adding it at home. You just don't need the added sugar, artificial sweeteners, and other additives found in many pre-flavored yogurts. A half cup of full-fat Greek yogurt with a half a cup of blackberries has 181 calories, 8 grams of fat, 15 grams of protein, 9 grams of net carbs, and 5 grams of fiber. The fourth option is nuts. If you're having nuts for a snack, just watch the serving size because the calories can add up fast and stall weight loss if that's your goal. If you're not used to portion sizes, I suggest pre-portioning your nuts so that you don't overeat them. A quarter of a cup of almonds has 206 calories, 18 grams of fat, 7 grams of protein, 4 grams of fiber, and 3 grams of net carbs. And almonds are just one example. Some of my other favorites are pecans, walnuts, and shelled pistachios. Sometimes I'll put some stevia chocolate chips and coconut flakes in them for dessert. The fifth option is hard-boiled eggs. Eggs are a nutrient-packed powerhouse and the original protein ball. 2 hard-boiled eggs has 155 calories, 11 grams of fat, 13 grams of protein, and only 1 gram of net carbs. Eggs are especially low in carbs and tend to not lead to overeating in most people, so I think they're one of your better choices. The sixth option is non-starchy veggies and hummus. Some of my favorite non-starchy veggies to dip into hummus are things like celery, carrots, cucumbers, broccoli, and sliced bell peppers. Hummus is a dip made from chickpeas, which do have some carbs, but they are also packed with fiber and protein. It's made with some type of fat, either from oil like tahini, which is ground sesame seeds, olive oil, or both. This protein-fat-fiber combination slows the blood sugar response of the small amount of starches found in the hummus and veggies. Just watch out that you don't choose a hummus that has an inflammatory oil like soybean, canola, or sunflower oil, which unfortunately are in most major brands. I suggest making your own at home. It takes just a few simple ingredients and a food processor. If you want a store-bought brand, the Asmars from Whole Foods is a good option. Many people enjoy fruit for a snack, but eaten alone, this will likely spike your blood sugar. If you are going to have a more sugary fruit for a snack like an apple, pair it with a fat like peanut butter to slow down the blood sugar response. If you don't already have our free Ultimate Food Guide that explains macronutrients better and has over 80 foods that help keep blood sugar low, click the link in the description to download it now. And if you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification bell for more health tips. We'd love to hear your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Be sure to check out this video next about the best and worst fruits for blood sugar. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon in the next video.